So when people hear the word steroid, very often people just think of the testosterone-like products, like the steroids people use when they're bodybuilding and things like that, the whole roid rage thing. Or other times people think of steroids as just cortisone-like products, like hydrocortisone, which is applied to the skin. Or when they say cortisone injections, even though technically it's not really cortisone, that's injected into joints. But steroids are really a very large group of chemical compounds, organic compounds, that all have this structure with 17 carbons in these 4 rings, 3 rings of 6 carbons, and then 1 5-carbon ring. And depending on what things you add to it and what chemical bonds are changed in the rings, you get different steroids. So add a couple of oxygen atoms and an extra carbon and a couple extra hydrogen atoms, and you get testosterone. A couple of other modifications and you get estrogen. And if you add even more oxygen atoms and make a couple of other adjustments, you get cortisol. And if you add a chain of carbon and hydrogen atoms on the top of the 5-carbon ring, you get cholesterol. So steroids are very common substances that are found in animals, they're found in plants, and they serve different functions. They serve structural function in the cell membrane. They serve as signaling molecules, including hormones. So as I said, steroids are much more than just testosterone and cortisone.